Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all grade 1 students. Welcome back to English lesson with me, Miss Winda. Alright, as you can see on the board, I have a picture here. So what do you think are we going to learn today? There are kids, and then there are numbers. Yes, so today we are going to learn about numbers. I'm sure that all of you knows about numbers, right? But before we continue more about numbers, I want you to prepare your student's book. Alright? And then open page 5. If you haven't got them already, you can pause the video and get them. But for those who already got them, you can just continue watching the video. Alright then, let's continue. The first number is of course 1. You can hold up your hands like this, it's number 1. This is the number and this is how you spell the word. And then the next number is 2. Okay, let's write 2 together. Alright, 1, 2, 3. It's 2. Alright, the next one is number 3. Let's write on the sky 3. Very good. The next one is 4. Alright, it's number 4. And then you start from the top and then make the pole. The next one is 5. Like when you give a high five. High five! Alright, the next number is 6. Let's write 6. Alright, the next number is 7. And then 8, like this. And then 9. And the last one is number 10. 10 is a combination, so we mix 1 and 0 together. Alright, that is the last number that we learned today. I'm sure all of you already know about it. For the writing, we will continue it or we will learn more about it in our Zoom session ya. Alright then, next. Remember, 1, repeat after me. 2, and follow the hand as well. 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. Very good. So we have 10 fingers, alright? Well done everyone. The next one is, I have a picture of a table. And then, how many tables can you see? How many tables are there? Yes, there is only 1 table. Very good. The next picture is, it's a board. Next, how many boards can you see? There are 1 and 2. Very good. So we have 2 boards. Well done. The next one is, it's a bag. Very good. And then, how many bags are there? Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. Very good. We have 3 bags. The next one is, what is it? There is a table with so many things on it. So we call it a desk. Alright? Next, how many desks are there? It's like a table actually. It's another word for desk. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. We have 4 desks. The next one is the one that you use for cutting papers. What is it? Yes, it is a scissor. Now, how many scissors are there? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one is 5. So, we have 5 scissors. Very good. The next one is the one that you use for writing. We call it a pencil. Very good. Now, there are so many pencils. How many are there? Let's count together, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 pencils. The next one is, it's my favorite, or maybe it's your favorites as well. We have crayon. All right. Next, there are so many crayons with so many different colors. But how many are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, we have 7 crayons, or we can say that there are 7 crayons. Well done. The next one, it's a happy looking paper. Very good. Now, let's see how many papers do we have. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 papers. So there are 8 papers. Very good. Next one is my favorite as well. This one is book. How about you? Do you like books? Let's see how many books do we have. Oh, they are in stacks, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 books. So we have 9 books. Well done. The next one, it's everybody's favorite. It's a balloon. Now, let's count how many balloons are there. All right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 balloons in this picture. Or we can say that there are 10 balloons. All right? Next, you can open. Oh, before we open the student's book, I have the last picture. There are 2 children in this picture, and then the first one asks the other boy, he asks, "How old are you? How old are you?" So we use number to tell people how old we are. In this example, the boy says, "I'm 8." It means that the boy is 8 years old. Now, how old are you? I'm sure most of you is around 5 or 6 years old, right? Very good. The next one is, I'm going to show you your student's book, page 5. Okay, if you already opened your student's book, it's going to show you this page. And then, let's see this one. Let's start from this one. Oh, you can see that our 4 new friends, we can tell that we have Misty over here from the double, like hairdo, and then we have, maybe it's Thunder, we have Flash, and we have Whisper. They are in PE class, they are in a sport class, right? And then they are lining up based on their number. I'm going to play you the audio, and please listen and point to the numbers. Okay, so the person in the audio will say a number, and then you point which number is that. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. All right.
Students book, page 5. 1. Listen and point to the numbers.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right. So they have 10 students in the classroom, or there are 10 students joining sport or PE class. All right. Now let's move to section 2. Here in section 2, you will see this one. All right. You can see our 4 new super friends. The first one is, do you still remember who is she? Yes, she is Misty. Misty, and then Flash, and then Whisper, and the last one is Thunder. Now, they are going to tell you how old they are. All right? So, what you have to do is
Student's book.
listen and then write their age. For example, this one. I am blah blah blah, and then you write down the number that Misty says. All right, let's give it a try.
Page 5. 2. How old are the super friends? Listen and write. How old are you, Misty?
I'm 6.
How old are you, Whisper?
I'm 8.
How old are you, Flash?
I'm 8.
All right.
How old are you, Thunder?
I'm 7.
Do you got that? We are going to repeat one last time, all right, to make sure that you get all of them correct.
How old are you, Misty?
I'm 6.
How old are you, Whisper?
I'm 8.
How old are you, Flash?
I'm 8.
How old are you, Thunder?
I'm 7.
All right, so you got that right? Now let's check together. The first one is Misty. Misty say that she is 6. So make sure that you write 6 in your book, yeah? And then the next one is Whisper. Whisper says that he is 8 years old. 8 years old. And then the next one is Flash. Flash is also 8 years old. And then the last one is Thunder. Thunder says that he is 7 years old. 7, all right? The next one is, we are going to try this one. So in third section, you are going to learn how to ask your friends about their age. And we are going to try it in our Zoom session next time. But I'm going to tell you briefly. Okay, so as you can see that there are 2 students in the video, in the picture, sorry. So there are two students. The girl asked the boy first. So in our previous meeting, we also learn how to greet and ask for someone's name, right? So we start with asking for the name. What's your name? What's your name? And then the boy says, I'm Carlos. And then the girl asks again, how old are you? And then the boy says, I'm 6. Alright, we are going to practice more about introducing ourselves or introducing someone's name and also asking for someone's age on our Zoom session. Okay, so that's it for today. Lesson. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.